Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we have an install for Kike, and he provided this Electrum Sabercrafts Renegade. This saber was all weathered by himself, and he did an amazing job on this. Before we begin, if you guys can hit that like and subscribe below, right here, I would really appreciate that. So the saber is featuring 2 brass tactile switches and a 3-contact spring connector under the card. Alright Kike, so when you open this, you're going to slip the chassis right out. Here it is. And as you requested, you have the CCS pixel connector, 2 accent pixel strips, your CFX soundboard with SMD LEDs on board, removable battery, 28mm SO Elite speaker. Let's power it up. So as you can see, we have a sequence going on the accent strips, as well as the SMD LEDs. Might be hard to pick up on camera here. So with those accent strips, you're able to get some shine through on these vents here. And now let's power it up. Check that out. Right, one more time. Listen to how loud that is. Super loud. So for those interested, I am accepting commissions on these, and I will be offering the chassis for sale in the Etsy shop. So that's all we have for today, and thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.